It's good to train young people to handle frustration, failure, sadness, abandonment, rejection, because they will face so much of that their whole life. When you always raise children protected from truth, lagi natin silang, you are the biggest fan of your anak, na pinasanay mo siya siya lang ang pinakatama, siya lang ang pinakamaganda, siya lang ang pinakakarapat-dapat. Paano pag wala ka na dyan? Ano ang kakasanayan niya? Yung bumaba lang yung grade, nagpapakamatay yung mga ibang bata abroad, ha? Hindi lang pumasa sa exam, tumatalon sa building. Paano? Sinanay sila na dapat lagi kang successful. In many civilizations in the West, and even now coming to the so-called developing world, ang ginagawa ang bata laging competitive. Why teach people to be competitive instead of teaching them to be cooperative? Because you maximize the benefit of living on this planet by cooperating with everyone else.